Hello student, our today's topic is optical isomerism in glucose. Students, optical isomerism is the phenomenon that shown by the compound which are optically active. And which compounds are optically active? The compound which contain one asymmetric carbon atom. And what is meant by asymmetric carbon atom or chiral carbon atom? Asymmetric or chiral carbon atom. The carbon atom which is attached to four different groups or atoms. That carbon atom is called asymmetric or chiral carbon atom. See here, this carbon atom having four valencies is satisfied by four different atoms or groups. In glucose, such asymmetric carbon atoms are present. The carbon atoms are present into the position 2, 3, 4 and 5. Hence, there are total 4 asymmetric carbon atoms are present. And we know that every chiral carbon can have two distinct spatial arrangement of groups around it. Or in other words, two distinct configurations are possible for each of the 4 chiral carbon atom of glucose. Student, the stereo structure of glucose which we see is the one out of the several possible structure of an aldohexose. Aldohexose means this glucose, the stereo structure of glucose is one out of several possible structure of an aldohexose. The German scientist Emil Fischer in 1902 determined the configuration of 4 chiral carbon in glucose. Students, see the structure of glucose. This is the first carbon atom where aldehydic group is present and where carbonyl group also present. These are the 4 carbon atom where OH group is present, and this is the 6th where primary alcohol is present. These 4 carbon atoms are the asymmetric carbon atoms. Students, see the structure of glucose. Here, structure of glucose. See here. Here. This is the carbon atom number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. See here carefully here. 6 carbon atoms are present in glucose. Out of this, first carbon atom is attached to carbonyl group, the carbonyl group of aldehydic group, and 6 carbon atom is attached to primary alcoholic group. See the 4 carbon atoms of the middle position. The carbon atom 2 is attached to one hydrogen and one OH group and one CHO group and another this group. Hence, see here, this carbon atom is asymmetric carbon atom. Also, carbon atom number 3 is attached to one hydrogen, one OH, second this group and second this group and this group. In this way, carbon atom number 2 also asymmetric. See the carbon atom number 4. Carbon atom number 4 attached to one hydrogen, one OH, third this group and fourth this group. Hence, carbon atom number 4 also asymmetric carbon atom. And see the carbon atom number 5. Carbon atom number 5, see here, one hydrogen, one OH, one primary alcohol group and fourth this group. Hence, carbon atom 5 also asymmetric. Hence, in glucose total 1, 2, 3, 4 asymmetric carbon atoms are present. We know that the optical activity or optical isomers are present in this way. The formula for optical isomers are 2 raised to power n. N means number of asymmetric carbon atom. In glucose, total 4 asymmetric carbon atoms are present. Hence, there total 16 optical isomers are present. See the structure of gluconic acid. In gluconic acid, see the oxidation of CHO group done, and here acid is formed. Here also 4 asymmetric carbon atoms are present. In gluconic acid also 1, 2, 3, 4 asymmetric carbon atoms are present. In saccharic acid, this primary alcohol group is converted into acidic group. See here. Here 2 acidic groups are present, and same way the 4 asymmetric carbon atoms are present. Hence, in glucose, in gluconic acid and in saccharic acid, total 4 asymmetric carbon atoms are present. Students, see, this is the Fischer formula. Fischer projection formula for glucose, gluconic acid and saccharic acid. What is meant by Fischer projection formula? In Fischer projection formula, we use one vertical line and one horizontal line, and according to their molecular masses, the atoms or groups are arranged. See the structure, students. In the above figure, the Fischer projection formula of glucose, gluconic acid and saccharic acid is shown. Glucose is a optically active compound. It has spatial rotation equal to plus 15.7. Due to its dextro rotation, glucose is called dextrose. Why glucose is called dextrose? Because of its dextro rotation. Dextro rotation means rotation towards clockwise side rotation, and it is designated by plus sign or also designated by capital D. Hence, we can say that plus glucose or D-glucose. The name for the glucose is plus glucose or D-glucose. Another which is more common, D-glucose is more common. This designation indicates the configuration of glucose rather than the sign of optical rotation. Thank you, students. This is about the optical activity of glucose. In next lecture, we see the next point.